Thank you guys so much for coming. My name is Kelly Knight, and I'm one of the rehabilitators at the Wildlife Center, and we are going to be releasing 3 of our barn owls that came in early June. It was 6 that came in together. They were found in Rockbridge County in a silo. The farmer wanted to fill his silo, but realized that the barn owls were in there, so he did remove them and attempt to set up a renesting, which is where they had a box to go into, but couldn't really find a good location for the box and ended up bringing them. So they have been with us since early June, and they have gone through flight conditioning, where they have learned how to fly and gained stamina. They've been being flight conditioned for 2 weeks. They've gone through live prey testing, so each of them have passed what we call mouse school, which is where they're given live mice for 5 nights in a row, and they have to prove to us that they can hunt for themselves. So they all have A's. They passed 5 nights in a row right from the get-go in mouse school, and so they are ready to go.
Do you bring mice with you?
Nope, we now at this point let them find live mice on their own. Yep.
When was the last time they ate?
They ate last night.
Why are we releasing them here?
We're releasing them here because the most important thing is to find a wonderful habitat, and we have this great location where there's lots of natural prey, as well as Mr. Bill, who has nicely built these birds a lovely barn owl box. So we're giving them shelter, they have food, so this is a great habitat where they can thrive.
Do you have mice?
I guess so. Okay, so now this is the hard part, to get the owl out without him.
Which would also be cool.
Yeah.
Anybody have a name? Do you name them?
We do not name them. This is 1344, 1345, and 1351.
All right. Everybody at one time?
And we will not all together. We'll do it.
Watch this. Gotta get their owl. Here they go.
Oh, careful, careful.
Look how cute they are.
Good job, ladies.
Oh wait, now I gotta get it. Stand by.
Will they get much bigger, or is this as big as they get?
This is as big as they get. So this is full size. They're about 600 grams. When they came in, they were around high 300s, low 400s.
Oh, they're just gorgeous.
Yeah, we're going to walk around so everybody can see them. So let's start over here.
Did you have to do anything to teach them to hunt, or did instinct just kick in?
Yeah, instinct kicked in. We put the live mice in their cage and give them a chance, and they immediately killed all their prey from the beginning.
So it wasn't something that they would have learned from their parents?
Apparently not.
Male, female?
These cousins.
The female with the brown?
The little bit difference in coloring, but as first-year birds, it's not as distinct as the adults.
Yeah, she's the cool one. You're gorgeous. Look at your sweet little face. You are gorgeous. May you have wonderful lives and lots of little babies.
Just to look. They just want us to look carefully. Yeah, all are pretty more of a white
The dolly cam right here.
Oh gosh, I thought you were no.
Dolly cam.
Will they scatter
think
or
their
they
weapons
cling
are?
to one another? And do you
What
think? As in
I suspect they'll disperse.
disperse? Okay. Very sweet. I gotta make sure. Are you gonna throw them all at once? No.
We don't want to risk them running into each other.
Oh, this is gonna flash
That is
almost.
one beat.
We hold to restrain their head?
Because one of those
want them to bite us. Great. Okay, we're going to get ready to toss them. We're going to do it one at a time, just so they don't accidentally run into each other.
Okay.
Please don't approach these guys, so I'll ask that you don't step any far forward than you are now. They may fly off. They may only fly a few feet and land on the grass. We want to give them time to get oriented and to fly away once they're comfortable. So please don't approach them after we have tossed them.
Yeah.
Yes, they're
Thank you so much.
Time for them to be a wild
Kelsey, why don't you go first? So this is, who do you have? 1345?
Watch them now. Here we go.
1351. This is the first owl that passed mouse school. He's our most experienced.
Go for it. You're fine.
Oh, I'm right above you. Don't worry about it.
Yeah. Go for it. Count to 3. Ready?
He's so pretty. Oh, we're gliding. Never had such pretty. 5. Oh, this is marvelous.
All right.
Ready? Count to 3.
1,
Woo.
2, 3.
He's going to your house, Bill.
That's right. He's going right for their house. Perfect. All right, and this is 1344. This is the smallest of the 6 that came in originally. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Whoa!
Uh-oh.
Yep, baby.
You're making it. He's going for the tomato.
Oh, yeah.